Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to make your own weed killer. So the materials that you will need are some vinegar, it can be flavored or just plain vinegar, some bleach, any type of organic or sustainable glass cleaner or algae remover or any type of plant that's or any type of cleaner that says that it's all natural, that it'll remove either algae or plants, and that works really well on weeds as well. So the first step is finding other solutions than weed killers. So if you've got lots of weeds in your lawn, why not just put some compost down and add grass seed? It'll fill right in and kill the weeds and compete against the weeds, and you won't have the weeds. So you really don't need weed killer if you have some soil and some seed, and you reseed every spring and fall, and you don't need to kill any weeds that way. But if you still have issues and you want to kill the weeds without removing them by hand, there's lots of other solutions. So the next step too is if it's an area where you just can control the weeds by using leaves or grass clippings or mulch, by just covering different types of areas where you've got lots of weeds with leaves every fall, the weeds will die back and it'll make a great new flower bed. And it's a great way to control weeds. Just put your leaf clippings right on any area that's full of weeds. Okay, now if you still have weeds, the next step to getting rid of them is mix half water and half bleach in a spray bottle and spray it down, because that'll kill the weeds right away. And it's not too bad for the environment because it breaks down. The next step, many other materials that you have in your house work as well. For example, if you've got any type of vinegar, vinegar kills weeds really well. So just mix half vinegar and half water and spray it on your weeds, and a lot of times it'll kill them right away. So next step, spray it on your weeds and wait for them to die and enjoy a weed-free garden.